Shut up tight. Now how are we gonna get to the airship?
Let me see if I can get that gate open by hand.
Shock jockey. Who needs the power company?
Some fool's alternative to electricity.
Doesn't seem to work very well.
There it is. First Lady. Looks like it's heading for the dock.
That will take us to Paris.
Just stay close.
Yes, Mr. DeWitt.
Call me Booker.
All right, Booker. Should we head to the gondola or take a look around the boardwalk? I suppose a place like this might have much we'd find useful. Want to hold on to this?
Much obliged.
Do you know why you were hired to come and get me?
I imagine they were interested in meeting you. No doubt for lockpicking lessons.
Why you?
I never even heard of this place before I got here.
Huh. I assumed Columbia was common knowledge below.
Guess I got a bit behind with current events.
We're gonna find ourselves in a kind of trouble you've never imagined.
From the bellhops and scullery maids? Oh, Edward, you've really got to put that feverish imagination of yours to good use.
Our ice-cold Colombian ice cream is a culinary marvel. Try it yourself!
And when I came to Washington, there were few...
What are you, Mr. DeWitt? Some sort of...
I'm a, independent contractor. Used to work for the Pinkertons and such. Not something you'd want gracing a resume.
Pinkertons? Weren't they the ones they'd call in to settle things when the workers took to striking?
Settle. Oh, that's a word for it.
Accept no low-quality foreign-made substitutes.
Hot dogs! Get 'em hot here! We got dogs for the boys, dogs for the girls, dogs for everyone in between. They're hot, red hot, hot dogs here! What do you give to a hungry little patriot? What's more red, white, and blue than a hot dog?
Why, we gave them the word of the prophet.
That's true, but what if they want something more?
So, Mr. DeWitt, is there a woman in your life?
There was. She died.
How?
Giving birth.
Oh. You have a child?
No.
What's that?
There you go, little miss. Cotton candy here. It's your cotton candy.
I don't think a few Chinaman Negroes and Patty O'Malley's are gonna worry him much.
Cotton candy right here.
broadcast will continue. After a
Need
moment
money?
of silent prayer
Here you go.
of today's brutality.
Perfect timing.
Oh, deadly stampede! Captured by man, used to tame the bucking bronco. You clean this boss's rifle every Sunday without being asked. In with you, life to every accident. The old man's
When I was a girl, I dreamt of standing in a room looking at a girl who was and was not myself, who stood looking at another girl who also was and was not myself. My mother took this for a nightmare. I saw it as the beginning of a career in physics.
Look! Duke and Dimwit. You know. Remember, boys and girls, don't be a dimwit. How could you not know that?
Must be something particular to Columbia.
I loved those stories when I was a kid. They are a bit off.
do their level best to take all that's rightly yours, and it's yours.
Just let the children enjoy the show as long as they like. At least until the prophet tells us more.
The prophet will tell us what to do. I don't know what to tell the boys. They ask so many questions and I just don't know the answers. Hello?
Hello yourself. Keep your hands where I can see them.
Hey.
I see you found our bestseller. Beauty, isn't it? She's lever action, but that lever sure works smooth. Put it back where you found it. I won't say it again.
All right, no need to get emotional.
City's gone to hell. Next thing I know, there'll be Vox Populi rampaging through the streets.
What?
I was just imagining you on the carousel.
Time's coming, she says. Little lady a treat, huh?
You ready?
You miss, treat yourself to something special. Cotton candy. Get it right here. Get your cotton candy here.